right, here we go. Here's the jobs. We're going to look at them right now.
Yeah, we got my brother too. Yep. After wire and down get him one time.
All the way to that paint.
You do this spot out this.
We got mold over here. And we got these things over here. You're going to do them a favor and do these. Got some mold on there. And we got this guy over here. He's sweeping. All right, let's get them cars out of there and we'll get after it. All right, you're not in the way. Hey, I got these two wild guys out here, Marvin and Jesse. What do you think about Super Blast pressure washing, guys?
Great.
Hey, fantastic.
You got it
We'll
done
offer
quick.
it. We'll give it to you anything. You beat the best of anybody around here.
Yeah.
There you go, proof's in the pudding. All right, let's check it out. He's happy with his, right?
Oh yeah.
And Marvin's happy with his. Everybody's happy, happy, happy. Here comes some more neighbors. Everybody's happy. Got the gutter in the road. See, all these people are ranting and raving, man. It's just a wonderful thing. Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Have a great day. All right, down here we got another driveway to do. I guess the guy's name is Joe, right, Jesse?
Bobby.
Jesse's brother.
Yes.
Not too bad. We'll just put some SH on it. Got some mold on the mailbox. Go ahead and get that off of there. All right, let's get after it. Job number 3. And it's only 10 to 9 in the morning. On here, let's get a quick look at the job. We're just going to take a glance. You see the gutter in the road looks good. The driveway looks good. The rig looks really good. I'm just an ugly old pressure washer. Get after it. Here we are at the filling station. Got our SH. Nice little thing. Pull on up. Filling it up. This is what I'm going to use. Use this stuff right here. You guys want to write that down? I highly recommend it. It works really good. But anyway, it's filling up. This place limits me to 50 gallons, so we're going to fill up with that, and that'll last me a few days. Anyway, let's get after it. All right, down here, let's check this job out. The walkway, pavers. All the way back to here. We have all this to do right here. There's the homeowner. This is the third time I've been out here. Really nice people. This is really not that bad. We're going to get some SH on this. Pathway up to the front of the house. We got a little bit of the front porch here. And all we got to do is get her done. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to throw some SH down here, as you can see. Get it nice and chlorinated, kill all the algae. The homeowner's out here trying to blow the leaves off. Anyway, we're going to SH everything down, and then we're going to get the 31-inch Mondu out and kill the rest of this stuff. All right, let's go. Let's get her done. All right, let's have a look. We got everything SH'd. It's going to be killing all the algae. That's why we're doing this. We got this fire pit out there. Got to put SH down on everything in order to kill the mold. Algae hates chlorine. It's mean and lean and gets rid of it. All right, we'll be back. All right, let's check it out, huh? There's the rig. And always let the water out of the tank, at least half of it, so you're not hauling a bunch of weight around. Extra wear and tear on your vehicle. Okay, let's get on it. Pavers came out beautiful, except for this branch that my hose killed. All the way around the back. You can see that's bright and white out there. Fire pit. All this is drying nice. Everything came out nice. All right. Paver. It's driveway. High-end Friday. This is a very, very big piece of property. Wait until you see the driveway. I'll film it on the way out. It's over a mile long. Talk about being out in the middle of nowhere, right? Very peaceful out here. As you can see, the road goes that way. It's their driveway. Then we go to the front door. I cleaned all this. Got all the frog poops off the front door and all that good stuff. Pavers came out nice. He never wants to get them sealed. Although that's not my forte. I'd rather not get involved in that myself either. I'm too busy making money at what I'm good at. Pressure washing. Alright, let's see what the weight is in the tank. Alright, we're getting there. Making a little bit of mud pie here. That's the magic number right there. 175 I'll travel with. I mean, it's not that much less, but it's less. We'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Getting ready to drive out of here. Here's the job. And here's the driveway. Let's check it out. Go for a little cruise. Must be nice to have a driveway that's this private. Never know, you might even see a deer pop out. This property goes all the way back this way too. Pretty cool. We got a picnic table right there. That's cool. Looks like a good place for a safety meeting. You've got water all the way out there. I just seen a spigot. That's cool. I don't know why you need water way the hell out here. There's more water right there. Huh. He's got water right there too. Pretty cool. Guess he's got some family that lives out here as well. Anyway, pretty damn long driveway, wouldn't you say? I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and it is High-End Friday. All right, Don here. That last job was no big deal. Just a little teeny, couple little black spots. These elderly people, they see a little bit of dirt and some of them freak out. But anyway, I went by there and all I had to do was spray a couple little dabs of chlorine with the bug sprayer and rinse it right off. Wasn't even worth filming it. So anyway, that's a wrap for today. It's been a great day, and tomorrow is Saturday and I have a pool cage first thing in the morning. Then I have another pool cage after that. Then I have a house wash. So it's going to be a good day tomorrow. Make about 600 bucks on a Saturday. That's good. That's a good Saturday on any day. Next weekend I have it all off. And my wife has about a mile-long list of honeydews for Saturday. I got to do some repair on the ramp where she gets her tractor in and out. I don't want her to fall and break her neck. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. And then I'm going to go for a motorcycle ride this weekend. No rain on Sunday, so I'm looking forward to that. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and that's a wrap. Everybody have a good weekend. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. All right, get after it.
Under a bad sun with a blue moon in your eye, and you woke up this morning, all that love had gone. Your papa never told you about right and wrong. But you're looking good, baby. I believe that you're feeling fine. Shake my body, born under a bad sun with a blue moon in your eyes. So sing it now. Woke up this morning, got a blue moon, got a blue moon in your eyes. Listen, you woke up this morning, the world turned upside down. Lord, a lot of things ain't been the same since the blues walked in our town. But you wanted a million, 'cause you got that shotgun shine. Shake my body, born in the